everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to contact Peacock customer service. To contact your Peacock customer service, first of all launch open a web browser and type in peacocktv.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you visit the official website for Peacock TV. Now from the main homepage of Peacock TV, scroll all the way down at the bottom of the screen and click on Help. This will open up the Help Center for Peacock TV. Scroll down and look for the Need Help button at the bottom right corner and click on it. This will then open up the chat screen where you can simply speak with a customer service representative. Choose any topics that you need help with and start speaking to the customer service representative right away. And they will guide you through necessary steps you can take to resolve your problem. So that is how you can easily contact Peacock customer service. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.